Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making a mug cake, a chocolate one. Alright. It says to use all-purpose flour, but I'm using self-raising flour. That's all I got. But let's see how it goes. I need 4 tablespoons of it. I think I'm just going to go with 3 because it's quite a small cup. So, yeah. Need to get the sugar. Need 3 tablespoons, well it's supposed to be 4 but I'm going to do 3 of white sugar because I've done the same for flour. You need cocoa powder. You need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Oh god, this is getting quite full up. Oh well, it'll be fine. It says a pinch of baking powder, but let's just do that. Oh my god, why is it not nowhere? That'll be enough. You need 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm using the no egg recipe because we don't have any eggs at the minute. 1, 2, 3. And then you need half a tablespoon of olive oil. Oh my god, I hate milk. Yeah. And then you mix it. I'm actually scared to try this. Oh my god, I might need to add some more milk. This actually looks quite nice. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Well, that was a bit of a disaster. I'm not going to put that on the spoon. I'm just going to put a bit in. Oopsies. It's literally all I've been doing at the minute, is baking. What else better is there to do when you've got to stay inside? It's all mushy. It's really hard to mix. Maybe you shouldn't use a no egg recipe. Oh well. What else can you do when you haven't got an egg? If anyone's got a better recipe than this one, comment it down below. But we'll see how this goes. Oh, I don't like this. It's not even like, wait, you know what I mean? Quite dry. You literally cannot trust me with baking. Awful. And I do food tech, I think that's going to go too well. I'm going to add a tiny bit more of olive oil so it equals out. Okay. There we go. That's more like it, I think. Maybe I should have used a bigger cup, but... Oh, it's actually worked now. This looks quite nice. Ugh. If you're using a small cup but it doesn't seem like a lot, put more in because it's only like halfway. So yeah. Just gonna go get a teaspoon, just like this. Some people add like chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, but I'm going to be adding some Nutella, mix it in. Sorry, I had to cut the video there. But anyway, carrying on. I just realised the cocoa powder I opened, it doesn't have a lid. So I'm just going to have to cover it up with something. Right, I'm going to put this in the microwave now. This is what it looks like. For probably about 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. It's in now, and I'll be back when it is finished. Right, I'm watching the cake here, and it's rising, probably from the self-raising flour. I don't know if you can see, but like it looks like it's gonna come up the top. Oh god, I just have to wait, see what it does. Maybe I shouldn't have done as much self-raising flour. Oh no, it smells really nice though. What do I do? Oops. I don't know if it's going to come out the top or if it's just going to be like a high cake. It's got a minute left and I'm kind of scared. Anyway, comment down below what videos you'd like to see like next, and I'll probably be uploading like twice a week. So I can't really see. It hasn't come out of the cup yet, it's just really high. It's still got oh wait. Oh, it's slowly falling. Still got 30 seconds left. I don't know if to take it out. Imagine. Oh no, right, I'm gonna take that out. Oops. It's falling. Is that hot? No, it's not. Well, this is what it's turned out like. I won't let me like that. I might just wipe the side. and put it in the remaining time. Oh god, disaster. Hold on a minute. I'll be back. Right, I'm gonna try putting it back in. Oh my god, it's very chocolatey. But I'm gonna put it back in. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Right. I just want to eat this. It looks so good. But it was a complete mess and disaster. It's only got 10 seconds left, guys. Oh, please work. I bet it's going to be like all mushy inside. Right, it's done. Well, I don't know, because I don't know if that's a Nutella on the top or it just hasn't cooked properly. But, hey ho. Let's try. Alright, it's not as bad as I thought, but it's too chocolatey. Alright, anyone that likes chocolate probably like it. But that's too chocolatey for my likings. It worked though. It's like spongy inside. Quickest cake I've ever made. Oh, it's too chocolatey. If it wasn't as chocolatey, I'd probably like it. But I don't know what I'd rate it on. Like 6 out of 10. But because I don't like chocolate. Well, I do like chocolate, but not too much of it. Probably 4 out of 10. But yeah. Not too bad. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll put the recipe in the description box below and comment for more videos that you'd like to see. Bye!